G'day and welcome to another episode of Flying by the Seat of Our Pants. So, we've got this 7-tonner, weighs about 9.5. Non-runner, no goes, don't know too much about it, but it needs to get up there. On the top deck, would you believe? Because I've got another truck to pick up which will fit nicely on the bottom deck. Only issue that we have here, yeah, I could winch it straight up, not an issue, but see these tines? Don't really want them slicing through the back of the cabin through my windscreen and whistling past the puppy's ears. Not good for puppies at all. So a little bit of work's got to be involved here now that I'm going to have to winch it onto the super tilt there, get it up there, find another spot in the yard, drop it back off so I can actually come in from the other side and winch it back on there and get it on the top deck. So once we've done all that, it shouldn't be overly difficult. Judging by the bricks underneath the wheels, I'm tipping it rolls. So that's a good start too, that I don't have to skull drag 9 tonne and put a lot of strain on the winches. So, alrighty, we'll assess this one as we go, but that's my initial game plan anyway. Obviously, things can change and you've got to adapt on the go, but let's give it a crack, eh? Woo! Thought the majority of the work was just turning the bugger around. So the back wheels didn't want to sit on the deck on the other side, so I've spent the last little bit to get them facing over there using a variety of chains and that sort of stuff, but we're winching where we need to be now. We just need to get it on so I can bloody just move to another spot in the yard, but as you can see, we're going to be pretty good here just to move it 20 metres or so. Whew. Well, she's off the deck and span around. And I'll be honest with you, I am starting to get a little bit frustrated with this one because too much time has gone into just turning this around and I effectively haven't even started yet. So probably not a lot of filming from this point on, but we'll get our little bits, but I just want to get this done now, eh? there is method in this madness. I was able to get these forks up by doing it off the back of the tray and that sort of stuff and put a chain on so they're elevated. So when this truck gets pulled in and backed up, I'll open up those little back gates and the fork should just stick straight through above the deck line and everything should just fit then. Chain it down and get the hell out of Sydney. I love it when I get to say that. Sorry for those of you that live here, but geez, it's a horrible place for transport. It really is. Okay, let's do it. It worked. See ya. Be sure to jump over my website for all my merchandise, Truck Whiz Navigation, Brady Talbot Finance, and discounts on Omicron cleaning products. Cheers.